Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to fix Instagram search feed. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, tap on open Instagram application on your device. Now, click on the search icon which is at the bottom of your screen and click on the search bar. After that, you can simply click on the cross button which is at the right side of your screen. Or you can also click on see all and click on clear all button at the top right corner. After that, you will get a prompt like this. Here, click on clear all button. Now go to your profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on the three lines which is at the top right corner. After that, scroll down until you see content preferences and click on it. Now you will get an option called reset suggested content. After that, click on next. Now again click on reset suggested content button. You will get a prompt like this and click on the reset button here. So that is how you can fix your Instagram search feed. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.